TXT's Hueningkai may be his group's youngest member, but takes the crown as one of the tallest members after his growth spurt. On appearing on AUDITION The Howling, there was a trainee so tall even he was hilariously intimidated. Since the trainees were interested in sports and Hueningkai played basketball for 4 years, he showed off a few of his dribbling moves. There turned out to be a trainee who'd also played the sport. Kay encouraged Joe to show off some of his moves as well. As soon as Joe stood up from the table, Hueningkai hilariously panicked. Turning his head left and right, he said, "He's so tall." When Hueningkai stood up and saw Joe walk toward him, he was even more overwhelmed by how tall he was. Hueningkai made them laugh by saying, "Don't come any closer." After joking around, they stood close enough for everyone to see that Joe was just as tall as Hueningkai, if not taller. Not only was Joe gifted in height, but he also played basketball for almost the same time Hueningkai did, leaving him even more amazed. For someone to be tall enough to make Hueningkai panic, especially when he's almost as tall as Subin, they're genuinely tall.